At Wide-Eyed, we specialize in designing and manufacturing innovative bags that combine style with functionality. With a focus on cutting-edge aesthetics and customer-centric solutions, we empower brands and businesses with products that stand out in the global market. With 13 years of industry experience, we have grown from a small startup into a renowned manufacturer, driven by our commitment to quality and innovation. Our products have earned top rankings on major e-commerce platforms and continue to gain recognition worldwide. We have a well-established presence in international markets, including North America, Southeast Asia, Europe, Japan, and the Middle East. Our advanced manufacturing facility spans more than 10,000 square meters and houses over 40 production lines, with a production capacity of over 1.5 million units annually. We ensure efficiency, scalability, and consistent quality. Zero-Euro operations adhere to rigorous standards, backed by certifications such as EPR, WWE, BSCI, and SEDEX. We offer end-to-end customization, including bespoke colors, logos, and functional enhancements, tailored to your brand-specific needs. Our 1 to 2 year warranty and reliable after-sales support ensure you can source with confidence and peace of mind. Our team of over 200 skilled professionals is dedicated to innovation and precision. We collaborate seamlessly to deliver outstanding products and services.